15 on 15 starts right now.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. I'm Yentll. Summer vacation is here for an estimated 300 students on the island. This means it's that time of year again when they get the opportunity to further their art abilities with Art Rules Aruba. In its 5th year running, organizers are ensuring that this is a great anniversary year.
Art Rules Aruba is back for its 5th year. For this particular summer session, Ida and Ida Kip carefully selected instructors from around the world to be part of our Art Rules Aruba 2014. 2 very familiar faces will be taking on teaching duties as well.
This year we're also very excited with the teachers that we invited. Because it's 5 years, we really wanted to look, okay, who are the people that we can bring to the island that can be part of this amazing celebration of 5 years. So I'm not going to say any names yet, but we have some amazing people coming to do the workshops. And then in addition to that, because we've been working behind the scenes all these years, we said, well, how can we artistically also put in our own expertise? So I am actually teaching the theater workshop, and Ida will do a business workshop, a business masterclass actually for the kids. Because as an artist, that's also an important thing to know.
Due to the popularity of the summer program, a junior class has been introduced. Younger students are able to experience each different art discipline to help them figure out which one they are most interested in for the future.
This year, we're actually, as a bonus workshop, we're introducing the junior workshop, which is for kids between 9 and 12 years old. And it's kind of a pilot. We're just trying it out, but in our application process, we already realized that it might actually really work because the class was full immediately. So we're very excited to see a younger group come in and see how can we prep them for arts education on a higher level. So we're extremely excited about that.
The organizers are looking to expand Art Rules into the region to see what the Caribbean has to offer. They want kids to know that it is okay to develop a career within the arts.
What motivates us is really the results that come out of Art Rules, seeing that kids are actually pursuing a study in the arts, and that we have a lot of students now currently studying in different countries around the world, and they were inspired through Art Rules Aruba to do that. So that for us is a big motivation to continue offering advanced arts education on the island, and expand the Caribbean region with Art Rules Curacao debuting right after Aruba when we finish. So if we can continue to keep doing that, then hopefully in a few years we'll see a lot more kids choosing to do what they love. And if they love art, then it's okay that you can pursue a career in that.
On Saturday, July 5th, Art Rules Aruba will be hosting a kickoff party in front of Casa Cultura for all students and parents. They are all invited. And moving forward, the Radisson GM Challenge is taking place Saturday, July 5th as well. The staff of the Radisson are committed to getting into a healthier routine and healthier lifestyle. The general public of Aruba are asked to come out and support.